We are here gathered to celebrate the communion and the coming together of this beautiful couple. Pesi, Hlongwane, and Mafanato Bila.
Pesi. You said you divorced her.
Hlehile.
Tante mngani wami.
He's our gardener, Amashkum. Our gardener.
Hlamana sodwana Pesi.
Let me have a word with you. You choked a pregnant woman. Are you out of your fucking mind?
Angel. I've got like the most amazing gift for you guys. We're gonna be on a yacht. It's gonna be a surprise, but
I need to free my mind. Sometimes I get real high. Sometimes I wanna raise my hand. Sometimes I wanna do my thing.
What?
Bitch! I get real high. Sometimes I wanna lose control. Sometimes the beat touch my soul. Sometimes I wanna raise my hand. Sometimes I wanna do my dance. Sometimes I wanna lose control. Sometimes the beat touch my soul. Sometimes